Sick.
If your food is so delicious and nutritious, General, how do you explain this?
Well, everybody knows that Tronaville is the bulimia capital of the world.
Try again.
Well, whatever it is, it has nothing to do with American chicken bunker. We produce only high-quality, chicken-flavored foodstuffs.
Oh, yeah? Well, if it's such high-quality flavored food stuff, why don't you eat it?
Fine. You want to see the General eat the chicken?
Mm-hmm.
Then the General is going to eat the chicken.
What's the matter, General? You know something your loyal customers don't?
No, I just remembered I got my water aerobics class in about a half hour. I can't afford to get cramps.
Do it, General!